Alright, hey guys, I got a 2.5-inch external enclosure. I'll put a link to the sidebar, along with my new laptop here, which is now set up and everything. Sorry. So, I will get right to the unboxing. This is for a 2.5-inch SATA drive. I had an enclosure for an IDE, but obviously it's not anymore. I want to transfer some stuff from my old laptop, and using my flash drive is going to take a little while, so just got this. Put this down for a second. Alright, it's a lot of peanuts, and Nippon Labs. Nippon means Japan in Japanese, I believe, so yeah, it must be good. Alright, so it says 2.5-inch SATA to USB 2.0. Should be pretty straightforward here, plug and play. Alright, so I'll open the box up here. Alright, so the enclosure itself is pretty compact. There's the USB port and a little LED for activity, I suppose, or power. There's a small screw, I suppose, to secure the hard drive to the case. There's a USB cable, and they also give you a little pouch, which is quite nice. And there's a little driver disc for Windows 98, I suppose, and the user manual. So I will try this out and see how it works. Thanks for watching, guys.